You want to experience virtual reality but your phone doesn't have gyroscope, how can you make it? Well, let's figure out. Hit the like button and watch the full video. First you have to do is go to Play Store and search for yoir's VR player. Download and install it. Once you open the app, you can see an interface like this. Click on this play button. As you can see here, my device doesn't have a gyroscope. Click on gallery, click on video. Here you can select your video. Once you select a video, you can see an interface like this. If you have a normal video, click here. If you have a 180 or 360 degree video, click here for 180 and here for 360. Or if you have a normal side-by-side video, click here. If you have a side-by-side 180 or 360 degree video, click here for 180 and here for 360. Or if you have a normal up and down video, click here. Or if you have a up and down 180 or 360 degree video, click here for 180 and here for 360. Once you select an option, you can see something like this. This is your timeline. You can tilt the head to the left side to see the left side, or tilt to right to see the right side. This bar is for adjust cropping of the video. This bar is for adjusting the position of a video. And this is for setting the lens distortion. If you tap this icon, you can see some settings. Adjust them as you wish. You can tap here to reset your video at any time. Once you are satisfied, put your phone into VR box and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon. Thanks for watching.